Hello all, welcome to INYA. In this video we are going to show you a few premium Kosa semi-tussars starting in the price range of 2200 and goes all the way up to 2850. These can be carried for small occasions. These will have slight sheen to it, not matte, not very glossy, so, somewhere in between, has slight sheen to it like that of silk sheen. I recommend that you dry clean them at least for the initial wash, and then for subsequent washes you can do a mild hand wash at home. So let's get started. This is sari number 1 and design number 1. A nice light pink. I'm not sure if it is showing 1 or 2 shades darker in the video because of the light. It's very light pink. It's almost like a baby pink with light green color silvage on both sides. There's no border, but we've given a light silvage to demarcate, and then there are small paisley motifs. All these are woven motifs and has the neem zari pattern, so it will not look like zari, it will not look like thread. If you intertwine a thread and zari, you will get somewhat shiny kind of feel, but thread finish also. So I'll try showing this a little up close. So all these are woven motifs. These are not printed, these are all woven. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. Very neat and elegant saris. That's the pallu. A nice pista green pallu. Again woven, completely woven. You can see large paisley and then finished with borders. This comes with a plain pista green blouse and has that same weaving for the sleeves. Sari is priced at 2250. Next is a nice light blue with greenish yellow combination. It's not green, it's not yellow, it's greenish yellow combination. So the silvage is given in greenish yellow and the body is blue with nice paisley woven motifs. So motifs also, you can see that alternative rows have a different color. There are 2 colors used. One is like slightly a different color thread used, and then the other row is a different color thread. So 2 different color threads used. In addition to that, right, the whole body has self weaving stripes, very subtle stripes, not very visible, very subtle, and it gives slight sheen to it. Because of that, throughout the body there are self lines and then the woven motifs. Very nice saris this set are. Each of the designs are from slightly different fabric types. So this is the pallu and this is the blouse. This sari is priced at 2250. This is the reverse color of the first sari, green with baby pink. So the body is in green with self woven stripes, mild stripes, like not even very visible, and then on top of it paisley motifs in 2 different colors in alternating rows, a silvage border, a nice half-inch silvage to contrast it. That's the pallu, contrast pallu with heavy weaving into it, large paisley motifs and border for the pallu. This is the plain blouse with weaving for the sleeves. This saree is priced at 2250. So this is the second fabric, priced in the range of 2700. It is semi Kosa tussars, even more fine. The first one would be slightly more thicker. This is very thin and very shiny. This is more like silk. So that the first design that I showed is more like slightly geisha finish. This is more silk finish, more flowy and more refined quality. The weaving also is very nice. You can see a small tree motif. It's given with antique silver and antique gold. Very subtle weaving, and then the stem is given in a dark blue to contrast this light blue. You can see that it carries a small silvage in a contrasting pastel orange, not a dark orange, very mild pastel orange. Beautiful saree, and the fall is like very nice. You can carry this for an occasion. It's very lightweight and very silky finish. That's the pallu. You can see the larger tree motifs for the pallu and intricately woven pattern at the top. This comes with a contrasting pastel orange blouse with zari weaving for the sleeves. The saree is priced at 2,700. Next is a pastel pink with elachi green silvage. So the same design as the previous saree, same fabric also. So that's going to be look of the entire body. I'll show you slightly up close. It is, see, this tree or flower kind of a motif. The stem is given in the same color, or one tint darker than the base color. So in the previous saree it was visible. In this, I think it's not that very visible because it's almost merging into the saree color itself. So I thought I'll show you an up close look. It's very, very pretty when you look at it in person. So that's the look of the entire body. Nice antique silver and antique gold woven together. That's the pallu with the larger motifs for the pallu and intricately woven different pattern as well. So this is the light pastel color contrast blouse. So the blouse also has zari weaving for the sleeves. This saree is priced at 2,700. Next design is a very different and a grand saree. This one is a pastel chiku shade. A different kind of border. You can see that the border has large leaf motifs in antique dull gold. Woven, these are all woven, not prints. And for the center, throughout the center, there is a honeycomb design woven. So that's for the center part. You can see that this border is very unique and different. It's a self color, but you can see large motifs woven throughout the saree. Whole saree is going to look like this. That's the pallu. Larger leaves for the pallu and matte zari base also. On top of it, that light dull gold weaving is given for the leaves. And a plain chiku color blouse with zari weaving for the sleeves. All these are finished with tassels as well. This one carries a little heavier weaving work and is priced at 2,850. Next is a nice peach pink saree with large leaf motifs for both sides of the border in antique silver and antique dull gold zari. And for the center of the body have honeycomb design in self color. The same peach color thread is used in as a jal design throughout. It's a honeycomb kind of a design. I'll show you slightly up close. So that's going to be the motif for the border. And that's the jal design for the body. So that's the pallu. Larger motifs for the pallu. Matte antique gold zari for the pallu, and then the outline is given in peach pink to distinguish the leaf motif. Finished with tassels. This comes with a plain peach blouse along with weaving for the sleeves. Saree is priced at 2,850. Next is a purple shade, light purple shade. It's not lavender, it's darker and it's not very dark purple. It's a very light purple shade. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. Nice large leaf woven throughout the border on both sides and nice honeycomb design for the center of the body. So I'll show you a slightly up close look. So that's going to be the leaf motif. And this is how the body of the saree will look like. So that's the full view. That's the pallu with matte zari in antique gold, and then leaves woven and used the similar thread to highlight, and light silver matte given to distinguish. That's going to be the blouse piece, plain blouse piece with weaving for the sleeve. The saree is priced at 2,850. If you'd like to make a purchase of any of the sarees shown in this video, you can take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on 9840571110. Happy shopping and thank you.